Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates.
OpenAI, Anthropic, Microsoft, and Amazon are behind a new organization that aims to help prepare workers for AI. Tech giants OpenAI, Anthropic, Amazon, and Microsoft have formed a nonprofit, Raise US, aiming to raise $1 billion to prepare workers for AI disruption. The organization has already secured $500 million in funding and is partnering with 4 states to develop workforce models, starting with Arkansas' AI-powered career navigation platform called Arkansas Launch. Microsoft CEO warns that a few AI winners could destroy entire industries. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella warns that a few dominant AI providers could destroy entire industries by capturing most economic value and hollowing out corporate knowledge, echoing concerns raised by other big tech CEOs. Trump's Big Beautiful Bill is driving aspiring doctors to reconsider their careers. Donald Trump's healthcare bill is causing aspiring doctors to reconsider their careers due to concerns over medical education funding. The proposed legislation has sparked uncertainty among potential physicians, leading some to reevaluate their career choices. Supreme Court supports privacy protections for cell phone location data. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled 6-3 in favor of privacy protections, requiring law enforcement agencies to obtain a valid warrant before conducting geofence searches and accessing cell phone location data. The decision reaffirms that probable cause is necessary to subpoena digital tracking information from tech companies, upholding the Constitution's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. Big tech is all in on AI. Now all they need is customers. Big tech companies have invested heavily in artificial intelligence technology, but face the challenge of convincing consumers to adopt AI-powered products.
Qualcomm unveils Snapdragon Reality Elite for next-gen XR. Qualcomm unveiled Snapdragon Reality Elite, a new platform for virtual and mixed reality devices, offering 60 improved GPU performance, 160 improved NPU, and 30 improved CPU performance compared to its previous Snapdragon XR2 platform. The AI-powered Reality Elite features 45 TOPS and supports interactive agents, 3D content creation, and photorealistic avatars. The 2026 Core 77 Design Awards Emerging Technologies winners. The 2026 Core 77 Design Awards Emerging Technologies winners are the Anemoia device, a scent memory machine that distills archival photographs into bespoke fragrances using generative AI, and GY Foam, a new fabrication framework integrating foam material with lattice structures for controlled expansion. I said, wow, when I first saw the Oppo Reno 16 Pro, and I think you will too. Oppo's Reno 16 Pro features a unique 3D design on its rear panel, dubbed Holoverse 3D technology, which creates a holographic-like effect that appears to leap off the back of the phone. The design is subtle yet striking, with swirling lines and particles that catch the light when moved. Snap unveils Specs AR glasses, bringing standalone spatial computing to everyday eyewear. Snap Incorporated has launched Specs AR glasses, standalone spatial computing devices available for pre-order at $2,195. with shipments starting this fall in the US, UK, and France. The glasses aim to blend comfort and advanced capabilities, positioning themselves between AI glasses and headsets. The future of AI and selling. How one workflow closed a $12,000 deal. Etten Pollinger shares an AI-powered workflow for researching prospects, matching their brand, and building a prototype before the first meeting, resulting in a $12,000 deal. This approach allows sellers to provide value up front, removing the need for convincing clients to buy. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. See you in the next update.